A groundbreaking study has revealed that fish oil supplementation may hold the key to reducing insulin resistance, offering a potential new avenue for managing type 2 diabetes even in non-obese individuals. Researchers in Brazil have demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can shift the body's immune response from a pro-inflammatory to an anti-inflammatory state, significantly improving glucose tolerance and overall metabolic health. These findings suggest that omega-3 supplementation could be an effective tool for managing diabetes, particularly for those that do not have obesity as a contributing factor. Traditionally, obesity has been considered a major risk factor for insulin resistance, but this study highlights how systemic inflammation alone can drive the condition, even in the absence of excess weight. The researchers worked with a specific strain of rats that naturally develop a form of type 2 diabetes without obesity, providing a unique model to study the effects of fish oil on glucose metabolism. Over 8 weeks, these animals received omega-3 supplementation equivalent to what could be translated into a human dose, and the results were remarkable. Not only did their insulin resistance improve, but they also showed better blood sugar control, lower levels of harmful cholesterol, and a shift in their immune system toward a more balanced, anti-inflammatory state. One of the most exciting aspects of this research is the way fish oil appears to influence immune cells. Chronic inflammation is a known driver of many metabolic diseases, and the study found that omega-3 fatty acids helped regulate immune cells called lymphocytes, reducing the activity of pro-inflammatory cells while boosting the presence of regulatory T cells, which help keep inflammation in check. This shift in immune function appears to have had a direct impact on insulin sensitivity, offering strong evidence that targeting inflammation could be an effective strategy for managing diabetes. These findings could have significant implications for people with type 2 diabetes who are not overweight, an often overlooked group in diabetes research. Current treatments for insulin resistance largely focus on lifestyle changes and medications that address weight management, but this study suggests that dietary strategies such as omega-3 supplementation could be beneficial regardless of body weight. If these results can be replicated in human trials, fish oil could become a simple, widely accessible tool for improving metabolic health. Despite these promising results, the researchers emphasize that more studies are needed, particularly in human populations, to determine the optimal dosage and specific types of omega-3 fatty acids that provide the greatest benefit. While the study focused on a well-established animal model of non-obese diabetes, translating these findings into clinical practice will require further investigation. However, the potential of fish oil as a natural, non-invasive intervention for insulin resistance is an exciting development in the field of metabolic health. This study reinforces the growing body of evidence supporting the anti-inflammatory and metabolic benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. While fish oil has long been recommended for heart health, its potential role in improving insulin sensitivity opens new possibilities for managing diabetes and other metabolic disorders. As research continues, omega-3 supplementation could become an essential part of diabetes care, providing a natural and effective way to support better blood sugar control and overall health.